Here's the polished and deepened documentary script, including the additional paragraph of insight and a new visual term. Title: Your Router, the Hidden Bottleneck. Description: You're paying for peak internet performance, but are you getting it? Your Wi-Fi router, often overlooked, might be silently siphoning off up to 30% of your speed. Discover actionable, simple fixes that can unlock faster, more reliable Wi-Fi in minutes. Take control of your home network and reclaim the bandwidth you already own. Script: Every month, you pay for the promise of fast internet. Yet, for many, a significant portion of that bandwidth, sometimes up to 30%, vanishes before it ever reaches their screens. The silent saboteur? Your Wi-Fi router. For most, the router is a set-and-forget device, plugged in and tucked away, its critical role underestimated. This common oversight creates invisible barriers, fragmenting your signal and throttling your connection. Instead of troubleshooting this easily fixed issue, we often default to blaming internet providers or needlessly upgrading to more expensive plans. Effective router placement is foundational. Wi-Fi signals are electromagnetic waves, easily disrupted and absorbed. Thick concrete walls, large metal appliances, even aquariums, can act as signal black holes, diminishing your speed by 50% or more. Relocating your router just 10 feet to an open, central area, free from obstructions, can immediately boost your connection speeds by a noticeable 20%. Beyond physical placement, software and settings matter. Regular firmware updates, ideally every 3 to 6 months, are crucial. They patch security vulnerabilities and introduce efficiency improvements, often optimizing signal transmission. Then there's the dual band advantage. Your router broadcasts on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider range and penetration, ideal for older devices or areas further from the router, though it's more prone to interference. The 5 GHz band, while shorter in range, delivers significantly faster speeds and handles more traffic, perfect for high-bandwidth activities like 4K streaming or online gaming on newer devices closer to the source. Understanding and leveraging both bands for their respective strengths can dramatically improve your network's flow. In today's hyper-connected world, our homes have become dynamic hubs for work, education, and entertainment, often simultaneously. This escalating demand means our routers are under unprecedented pressure, managing multiple devices streaming, gaming, and video conferencing at once. Simply plugging in a device and hoping for the best is no longer a viable strategy. Proactive management of your home network is now essential to maintain a stable, high-performance connection that truly keeps pace with your digital life. These often overlooked adjustments aren't merely tweaks, they are fundamental shifts that transform your entire home network experience. They don't require an expensive upgrade, they unlock the robust speed and reliability you're already paying for. Imagine uninterrupted 4K streaming, seamless video calls, and lightning-fast downloads, all achievable by taking a few proactive steps. Your Wi-Fi network isn't a black box, it's a system within your control. Visual_terms. Abstract graphic representing lost data packets or degraded signal flow. Close-up of a router placed haphazardly behind a TV cabinet. Animated visualization of Wi-Fi signal waves struggling to pass through a concrete wall. Modern, minimalistic shot of a router positioned centrally in an open living space. Screen capture of a router's admin panel. Update firmware button. Highlighted side-by-side graphic comparing wide, slow 2.4 GHz waves and dense, fast 5 GHz waves. A person smoothly streaming a high-definition movie on a tablet. A hand confidently adjusting a router's antenna or power switch. Additional, a split-screen comparison. One side shows a pixelated, buffering video stream, the other shows the same video playing flawlessly. Additional, an on-screen diagnostic overlay displaying real-time signal strength or bandwidth usage before and after a suggested fix.